Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you delete a YouTube channel on mobile. So to delete a YouTube channel, at first just go to any browser. I'm just using Chrome. Now in the search bar, search for Google Sign In. Now just go to this website. Now click the third option here, data and privacy. Scroll. And now here you can see delete or delete your data, delete a Google service. Just click on the second option. Click on continue. You need to give your phone password or fingerprint. Now here you can see YouTube here. Just click the right bin of YouTube. Now click on I want to permanently delete my content. Tap on these two options and click on delete my content. Now just type your email address and click on delete my content. Now here you can see the content is being deleted. So guys, that's how you can delete your YouTube channel from mobile. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.